Wesley's Widebody Hellcat. Pretty close to stock on the inside as you can get as far as dash. Hellcat motor. Yeah, it's a hill climb car, Josh. Kevin Wesley's usually drives a Viper up the mountain. This year he's driving a wide-body Hellcat. Josh, I'm actually here with a Mustang, Randy Pope's car, built by Pikes Peak Racing. It's back there in the back.
You know, you can see more from the summit when coming up than some places where you're at. You can only see them.
So this is the car I'm going on the mountain with. Built by Pikes Peak Racing. Sponsored by Mike's Framing and Alignment, Hoosier Racing Tire, Rex Tire, Autofilm Solutions, Willwood Brakes. Randy took a GTR up last year and drove it off the side of the mountain. But he's been doing really well in practice. We'll see what he's got this weekend.